Hi, I'm Tim, co-founder and tutor at TestPass Online School, and I'm excited to share why I believe TestPass is the best place to help you succeed in your CELPIP journey. First, a little about me. I've worked hard to become a certified CELPIP instructor, and I hold a TEFL/TESOL certificate, which means I am fully qualified to teach English to speakers of other languages. My personal achievements? I've scored an average of 11 on the CELPIP and an overall score of 8 on the IELTS, bringing me close to native level English proficiency. So I understand exactly what it takes to get you the results you need. At TestPass, we focus on you. The lessons are personalized to fit your needs, and I tailor every session to your unique goals. Whether it's mastering speaking, improving your writing, or nailing down listening skills. Our one-on-one sessions ensure that you get all of the attention and guidance you deserve without distractions. And because I know how important flexibility is, I offer a schedule that works for you, whether it's in the evening or during weekends. One of the key benefits of TestPass is that we know the tests inside and out. I make sure you're equipped with the most accurate and up-to-date information about the CELPIP exams. I'll help you practice the exact type of questions that appear in the test and guide you step by step through each section. Our goal at TestPass is simple: to give you the confidence and skills you need to pass your test and achieve your goals, whether it's permanent residency, a new job, or further education in Canada. If you're ready to take the next step and pass your test with confidence, I'd love to help you succeed. Let's get started. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you soon.